as a life path number 8, you are a power player. You inherit by nature a huge amount of power. But on the same side, you are facing with that huge potential for power and your huge personal inner power, a big potential for challenges, tasks, and learning lessons you have to master here on Earth, life path number 8. You want to stay on this video if you want to dive into these challenges, to reframe them, that they are not happening to you and there's something bad happening in your life. Know that you realize they are actually here for you, so you have the opportunity to step even deeper into your personal power, and these things are happening for you. So let's dive into it. Life path number 8. Drop me a pink heart if you are life path 8. Drop me a yellow heart if you have an 8 elsewhere in your numerology chart, and drop me a blue heart if you are another life path number cross watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. This is for you. Subscribing to the channel will make you step into your inner personal power, will make you step into your potential and moving from the person you are now into your future self, into your highest potential. So let's dive into your learning lessons, into your challenges you have to face here on Earth. So as a life path number 8, you can become angry pretty fast, and this is a learning lesson, a challenge for you to master, to learn how to work with anger. And I just pulled yesterday a card about anger. Anger is in our society associated as something bad, and yes, you can use anger as every emotion is first of all neutral, and you can use every emotion in a destructive way, so that it's not benefiting you. I don't have the right word right now. In a way that it destroys your power, or you can use the emotion to uplift you and bring you further. So this is the same with anger. In our society, anger is not really an emotion which is promoted, but anger in a positive live way can light up your inner personal power and make you go for your passions, your dreams, your desires. This is this inner fire. And if you reject anger, you reject your inner power, your inner fire. If you're eventually numb to anger and you cannot even feel anger, you're suppressing your inner power. This is a lesson you need to learn, life path number 8, because you have this power number, not to suppress your power and not to abuse your power and use the anger in a destructive way that it destroys your relationships and you're raging out on the wrong places. As a life path number 8, you need to learn as well to release control. And yeah, this is a big topic for you because you inherit this big power, and as a life path 8, you want to hold control over situations. So for you, it's to learn to release control, to surrender in what is, and as well to just let other people be next to you. Don't try to dictate to them how to live their life, because you can show up as a very dominant life path number 8. So on the opposite side, you can find yourself into situations in your life where you feel you have no power at all, where you have no choice at all, and where you feel completely powerlessness. This is your topic, life path number 8. And this is as well where you need to ignite your fire, your inner fire, your personal power. Work with your body. work with that solar plexus energy, with your willpower, your dedication energy. You can apply for my one-on-one mentorship if you feel like you lost your fire, you want to reignite your fire, or if you feel like you have too much fire, you want to use it in a positive way for yourself. You find the link in the description box below to apply for my one-on-one mentorship. For you, life path number 8, another learning lesson is to find your own definition of abundance and to balance, in that sense, the materialistic world which you love and the spiritual world which you love as well. And what I often see with life path 8, they choose one, the materialistic world. I need no power play in number 8. Their money game is on point. And then I know other life path number 8s, they are in the old spiritual belief that you don't need money, you don't need materialistic things. But remember yourself, you are here on earth, you are here to use the things you can use on earth. And yes, you are a spiritual being, but you can allow yourself to have as well material wealth around you. You don't need to reject that materialistic world. Finding a balance between that, finding your own definition of abundance, is a learning lesson and challenge for you on your path, life path number 8. Another learning lesson for you is your personal power, which I already spoke about. Your personal power, or the feeling of powerlessness. You have this natural authority around you. Check out my video about the superpowers of the life path 8. There I go deeper into that. And you need to find a balance between not abusing your authority, not abusing your power, and not manipulate others, and not hiding yourself from your power in a state which can be very comfortable for you, in a state where you feel powerlessness and you tell yourself, I'm okay where I'm at. No, with a life path 8, you have that inner thrive to build something big and to accumulate wealth and power. Another learning lesson and challenge for you is leadership. As an 8, you are a born leader and you can show off very dominant. So for you, the challenge is to accept other powerful leaders next to you. This can be a challenge because you have a lot of knowledge, and I see that with the life path 8s I speak in different stages in my readings, that some of them are very good at that. Some of them love to collaborate, especially when you are 26-8. I feel it's a little bit easier for you. But with the 35-8, you are a very independent life path number. You have very independent numbers, and it can become a challenge, and you eventually catch yourself criticizing other people very fast. So check in with that. Allow yourself to collaborate. Really release your criticism, release your high standards toward others, and see them for the strength they can bring into a shared project. Another learning lesson and challenge for you is deepness. Allow yourself to dive deep, life path number 8. You have this deepness, and this can be scary, I know, to dive deep into your inner world and to do the deep inner work. But this is why you're here for. Check out my video on your purpose, on your mission. This goes exactly to that topic. So you are here to open up for that inner work, for that deepness, and bring it into the world to others. It can be that you reject your deepness, and even so it can be that you lose yourself in deepness and you are only holding on for yourself to it because you are not trusting that other people can hold this deepness around you, that they cannot handle it. So you need to give other people the credit of a doubt that they can handle everything, that they are strong and they can hold it. So life path number 8. Let me know in the comments, what are your biggest challenges you're currently facing? What are your learning lessons? I'm curious to read from you. Book your numerology reading, your personal session with me to dive deep into your whole chart to get a better understanding about the different sections, your career path, your internal world, your personal life cycle, your soul urges, and your personality number. I am looking forward to see you there. The link is in the description box below, and subscribe to the channel if you like my content, and let me down here in the comment section a comment that supports me a lot in sharing my message further. Thank you and namaste.